Immediately fix your GTA 5 sound not working and banish that frustrating no audio bug on Windows right now. First, let's tackle your audio drivers. Open Device Manager, expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, then right-click your audio device and choose to update its driver. This often resolves compatibility issues by ensuring your system has the latest sound configurations. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems from incorrect in-game or system audio settings, which brings us to method 2. Jump into your GTA 5 audio settings to confirm volumes, then check your Windows sound settings to ensure the correct output device is selected and disable any exclusive mode settings that might be hijacking your sound. Still no luck? Sometimes corrupt game files or permissions are the problem, leading us to method 3. Verify the integrity of your GTA 5 game files through Steam or Epic Games Launcher. This replaces any damaged data. Also, try running the game as an administrator to grant necessary system access. Finally, if you're still stuck in silence, the Windows audio services themselves might be stalled, which is our fourth method. Press Windows R, type services. Miss say, then locate Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Restart both these services to refresh your sound pipeline, ensuring they're set to automatic startup. One of these methods will get your GTA 5 audio back and running perfectly,